Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to solve app not install problem in Realme C100. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.